Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. Super excited about today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get that luxury home look for less. It is super simple, especially with some of the finds that I found in today's video. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, we're gonna start off in the kitchen because once I had my whole little espresso machine set up, I was like, wow, that corner is very bare and we definitely need to elevate it immediately. So in this corner, I just went ahead and put some faux greenery, and that's one of the first things that I love getting from Target. I cannot stress enough how just like high quality all of their greenery is. It looks really, really nice, and you can find some really awesome pieces like this one because look at that pot. Like, it already came in a pot that is just absolutely perfect. It's got like that weathering, distressed look to it. So it automatically just looks high end. And then the actual faux plant that's in there, again, it just looks really high quality. I will say that on this trip, I did see some that were a little questionable, maybe looked a little bit on the cheaper end, but looking out for these, especially the ones that are from the Studio McGee collection, you will find some really awesome ones. And then I came across these in the Hearth and Hand section, probably my like all-time favorite section at Target. Can we all agree? Like, the Magnolia just is always so good. Like, you always find good pieces like this. So little salt and pepper, I just thought that these were so cute. Again, very minimal design, but they still have that like uneven ceramic little coating drip to them. So I thought that these would be perfect, and I just love the way that all this looks together. Now that I'm talking about it, I got a lot of questions about this little quote. This is like an affirmations like deck from Amazon. So basically they're all just like really positive quotes, and I put it next to the coffee maker because I can just like see it, look at it, read it while I'm making my coffee. But yeah, it just says, I'm so grateful to be alive, healthy, and thriving. So yeah, that is really cute, and there are a ton to choose from there. Moving on, we have this little lantern set, again from the Hearth and Hand section. I saw these and just immediately fell in love. I'm a big lanterns girl, so whenever there's a lantern around, you guys know, if you watched my last Target haul, I got some outdoor lanterns. Those are outside on my patio, but these literally were just like screaming Pottery Barn to me. But obviously, since they're from Target, we're not paying for that hefty Pottery Barn price. So I personally love incorporating different types of lighting. Like, mood lighting is my jam. So whenever I can bring something like these lanterns that typically probably wouldn't go in the kitchen, but just, I'm gonna step back a little bit. Like, this is just looking so good, so high end already, and just having these little candles going is perfect. You can even do some of like the battery operated candles if you really wanted to. So I highly recommend. You can even put these on your dresser in a master bedroom. That would look gorgeous. The glass on them is absolutely beautiful. So another really great luxury for less find at Target. And then moving on from the lanterns, we have the last little corner of the kitchen just to talk about for today. So whenever I get like a fruit bowl or anything like that, I try my hardest to make it as non-traditional as possible. So those bowls that they have at Target that are meant to have fruit in them just aren't really my vibe at all. But I saw this really cute low bowl and I was like, oh my gosh, this would literally be perfect as a little fruit bowl. So of course, another cool thing that I feel like you could do with this and make it look very high end, you could turn this bowl into a candle, which I think would just be the most beautiful low bowled candle, and you can do it really affordably because those candles are pretty pricey. Even at Target, I think they were like 40-50 bucks. So you can get something like this and make your own for a little bit less and just kind of keep refilling it with wax if you want to. I love the little like knobby detailing on both sides of this bowl. The kitchen, to me, to be honest, was looking very like bright and white, so I wanted to add some warmth to it with that bowl. And then when I saw this little recipes box, I was like, this combo is just going to be perfect for the overall counter. So this is super high quality too. The lid to this is very strong and sturdy. So it's got some recipe cards in there too that you can use. So I'm loving that little recipes book and definitely gonna have some fun adding some little recipe cards in there and finding some that I really love. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a step back so you guys can see just how well everything kind of pairs together. We have that little corner over there, and then the lanterns, of course, and then the little warmth that that little area has. I definitely want to get some cutting boards and add that, but that will come later. I want to get some really cool vintage ones. I didn't see any that looked too high end at Target from their current collection, but they're always adding new things. So maybe I will find something that I like shortly, and then I will pop those right behind this little area. Then of course I had to share my new lamp with you guys. This is seriously a masterpiece. I think this lamp is absolutely gorgeous. I saw it and I immediately fell in love. I was like, I need to find a place for this. They only had one, so I'm definitely gonna order another one online and probably use these next to my bed as my bedside lamps. Although I will say I do really like the way it looks next to my frame TV. I love this thing. I mentioned it all the time, but definitely click the link down below because it's still on sale. So if you were thinking about getting it, I recommend it. It looks good with everything. My only question is I may change the frame on it to a different color, because you can do that. You can switch it out. So I think it's going to be a different color and might be black. Then I think I'll really like the way this lamp looks here, but I love it. It's such high quality. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see the detailing. It is gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Such a good price for this too. Again, it is such a high-end look. From the Studio McGee collection, of course, I feel like she does such a great job, but this is definitely one of the pieces that stands out to me, and definitely the top 3 that she has ever done, because the attention to detail on this is absolutely insane. You see the little pulls for the lamp. Everything on it is just absolutely perfect. All right, now looking at some luxury items from Target for the bathroom. We of course have the Casa Luna collection, which is just so amazing. I'm so happy they came out with it. They have amazing options. And surprisingly enough, I saw this little dish and I was like, is this a little trinket box? I flipped it over and it's actually from the Casa Luna little bathroom collection that I didn't even know came out. So I really love this. It's got like the little leather loop detailing on it, and I think it's a really great addition to the bathroom. Again, just wanted to bring some warmth into this space. So we also here have the little dish that was a part of the collection, and I was like, this would be perfect for under my soap, so that's what I'm gonna use it for. And then of course, rolled up, we have another Target towel. This one is from the Threshold collection. If you can see, it has some really beautiful detailing on it, almost like a large chunky like ribbed pattern. I got a few of these in the set just because I felt like it would be great for the bathroom. It's a nice crisp white color, so I really love that. I love the look of one rolled up just in the guest bathroom for like a guest towel. So both of these I thought were just really great luxury affordable options for the bathroom. And then back there we have a Clarity candle, also from the Casa Luna collection. I have like never smelled a candle that is just that fresh, and immediately I was like, I have to buy this. Usually I have to smell it a couple of times to decide whether or not I like the scent, kind of get used to it. No, this one is amazing. Shockingly enough, it says that it's grapefruit and ginger, which are 2 things that I would probably never buy a candle of, so I'm having trouble believing that that's the combination, but I love their little like aromatherapy candle section. They also have some really good reed diffusers. Again, you're trying to get that luxury bathroom look for less. these would definitely be some good items for you to check out. All right, and since we're in the bathroom, I'll go ahead and share with you guys some more luxury items that Target has. If you guys haven't already seen, I feel like these are going viral everywhere. These are the Casa Luna towels. These are insane, you guys. I wanted to just bring in some like really nice color, and I was just thinking that the bathroom was looking a little too bland. So I had seen these the other day and the quality was insane, but I really wasn't a fan of the exact color that they had. But once I found these, I was like, everything just kind of like goes together and it looks really, really nice. So if you're in the market for some like high quality towels and you just want to bring in like a really nice texture to your home, these come in like so many different colors, and I definitely would highly recommend checking them out. They even have like the larger bath towels too, but again, I just kind of wanted to add a little bit of warmth into the space, and I'm kind of doing this thing where I'm mixing and matching the towels, and it worked so well in here. I love the white towel for like your hands, and then a different color for the larger towels, and you'll see even the bath towel is a different color, so I'll share that with you guys now. All right, and then not to like completely just only talk about Casa Luna, but I did get this bath mat, which again, you guys, look at the texture on here. This is literally like giving West Elm for less. I cannot believe some of this Casa Luna stuff from Target. The quality is like completely unmatched. So got that. And again, I have the white one originally, but I didn't want everything to just be so like white in here. It was looking a little too sterile for my liking. So with that, I also ended up going and getting another Casa Luna towel for here just to bring in some color. Now it's not truly showing its color on the camera. It's definitely more of like a teal because I wanted it to match with the other towels that I shared with you guys. So I'll get a little bit closer, but again, it's looking a little bit washed out. It's definitely more of like a very pretty teal color going on. So went ahead and got those. I will take it back a little bit more so you guys can kind of see the little vision of everything together. It just kind of goes and it looks so good. Again, these are very like luxurious feeling towels, and you're definitely paying much less for them at Target. All right, so I more recently added this rug into my entry. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys a close-up on it so you guys can actually see the detailing. So this is why I love Target for rugs, because although they have like some of the plastic versions that just don't look good, they tend to have a really great assortment of like different textures, and this one is like perfect. It is all like woven and detailed. It is beautiful. It's a nice neutral color, and it actually comes in a few different sizes. I just opted for like a smaller one just to kind of add like a subtle little focal point in my entryway, but you could totally find a rug on Target that is just as detailed, that might be a little bit larger, because I'm not sure what the largest size on this one is. This one of course is from the Studio McGee collection, so I would recommend checking it out. All right, one of you guys actually recommended this marble tray to me, and I am forever grateful. Like, I already thanked you once, but thank you again. I got the smaller version of like the Target marble tray. Didn't even know that this large one existed. I just put some perfumes on it just so you guys can see how massive it is. Could obviously use this as a perfume tray, use it in the bathroom to store makeup, use it on your kitchen counter as like a crate and barrel luxury look for less. You could make a little coffee and tea bar. I mean, the options are absolutely endless. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these off so you can just see how good the marble detailing is on this, especially for it being from Target. Like, look at how beautiful it is. I am seriously so pleased with the overall quality, and again, just how large it is for the price. So if you were looking to bring one of these marble trays into your home, this is definitely the time to get that luxury look for less. All right, another staple in my kitchen are not only just luxury kitchen towels, they have to look good as well as do their job. So I have been loving these in particular. They're $3 each. They come in a 2-pack from Target, of course. and I just love the detailing on them. They're really high quality. They definitely feel like they're super expensive towels, but they weren't. They were very affordable. So love those, and I do believe they're offered in a few different colors. I just got the white because I love like the clean look of them, but I would highly recommend these. All right guys, those were all of my luxury home finds for less. I hope you guys found this video helpful in making your home look expensive on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, as always, give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!